Ready once again. And the race on. Sudden Burst, Awesome Ashley. And on the outside, Tricky Charlie, Starbucks, Fancy, Winner Take All. Shining Crown is the early trailer. Is rather on the outside, Awesome Ashley, Sudden Burst, down on the inside. Starbucks Fancy racing in third by about 2 lengths. Tricky Charlie's another far turn. Sudden Burst by a length and a half, followed by Awesome Ashley. Is Starbucks Fancy racing in third from the outside and moving up by the rally Shining Crown as they race the final corner. Sudden Burst this time by about 2 lengths. Awesome Ashley's on the outside, Shining Crown down on the inside, and hitting the finish line. Sudden Burst, Awesome Ashley, Shining Crown moves up, and finally Shining Crown. Sudden Burst, Awesome Ashley, Starbucks Fancy, Tricky Charlie's, and Winner Take All comes last.
So 1, 2, 3, 4.